of round 1 previous year question which I want to talk about. Okay, this is the round 1 previous year question. Okay, I've selected this. I selected these questions from various websites. So if we go through this, this is not um, the off-campus hiring. This is hack with Infosys hiring. So the question levels are pretty like different. So let's see this round 1 question experience, round 1 experience. So what's happening here? Easy question is a simple greedy question. So I already told you, focus on DP greedy, very important. And a medium question that they have covered is a 2D, a two-dimensional DP question. Okay, so easy level of question will be like simple, mostly simple array string manipulation or greedy approaches on arrays and string. Okay, and medium level will be you perform these you perform the patterns on this arrays and string, and on top of that you need to perform DP or greedy. That is going to be a medium level question. Hard level question is a partition DP problem. So from this you can analyze that you have a simple greedy, and then you have a 2D DP, and then you have a partition DP. This is really difficult to solve. This is very easy question, as the person said. Easy question was very easy to solve, 5 to 10 minutes. Medium question is LC hard level directly. This is pretty easy. This is not even medium level. This is LC hard level, and this is ultra hard. So make sure these are all some of the sample questions that I've collected. I want you to see, right? You can get questions like this. This is to give you an idea. I'll solve these questions in another video, but here I'm just giving you an idea. I was not even thinking of showing you this question in this video because I thought let's just talk about the preparation strategy, something like that. But let me just show you, because tomorrow you have the round, right? And this person solved easy fully, 9 out of 12 here and 4 to 5 out of 12 here. This is also possible for you to get selected in round 2. If you solve at least some test cases in hard question, definitely you'll get selected in round 2. And we have some other questions also, like uh, uh, questions on different kinds of questions that is present with constraints, input, output. Okay, now before going to that, let me just show you this particular question. This was asked in round 1. Let me just show you this and then I'll go to that. Here you can see spiral matrix problem was asked. So if you're preparing, go through spiral matrix problem. It is present in lead code. You can just type in spiral matrix lead code. And then we have palindrome pairs. Okay, so in spiral matrix, the careful handling of boundaries, because edge cases, solving edge cases is really important. Okay, and then palindrome pairs, slight variation of this problem were asked. So whatever you solve in lead code, maybe they can ask the same question, but they usually put a twist on that. Slight variation, kind of like string manipulation, checking palindrome combinations efficiently, optimal solution and everything. Okay, under easy question, this is another experience. Query based operation on a 2D list. This is a very long problem statement. It can look easy, but logic was pretty tricky, it seems. And then this is the thing about this. Easy questions, they tell that it's easy, but often it is very long problem statement. This is to keep you from reading the question. Okay, and also tricky logic, so you have to think. Medium was pretty much straightforward, standard 2-pointer sliding window. I already told, right? Prepare 2-pointer sliding window, very important. Incorrect window updates, I already told, right? If you don't update window properly, you will have time limit exceeded error. You will get this error. And then hard question was graph based question with state based DP. Graph plus DP, combined graph plus DP. Okay, you need to like strong fundamentals is also important. Even if sample test cases passed, hidden test cases failed. Okay, so that's why practice is really important. And complex based problem was tree problem with range queries, extremely tough. Edge cases were very difficult to even identify. So probability of getting stuck here is high. So don't worry that, okay, if I don't solve hard and difficult complex problem, I won't be able to pass. No, if you just solve easy and medium fully, you can definitely get selected for round 2. And in the round 2, do the same. do easy and medium question fully and you'll definitely get selected. Do not worry. Okay, now I talked about this question. Let's talk about this question. This question is classic 3DP question. Tree plus DP. So they ask tree plus DP, graph plus DP. You can see, right? And then question 2. Okay, just go through this question. Question 2, this was DP on arrays type of a problem. This question number 2 is actually DP on arrays. Okay, this is DP on arrays. And question number 1 was string hashing. So I've just analyzed what kind of question this is. This is string hashing because this will be useful for round 2 as well. String hashing. So analyzing all of this, what I can say, what kind of questions are asked? First, let's start from basic. Arrays, strings. Okay. So we saw one string hashing problem. Third one is we saw sliding window, 2 pointers, and then dynamic programming, greedy, graph plus DP, tree plus DP. What else? What else? DP, 2D DP, partition DP. This is what I have analyzed. Okay, this is what is happening, right? And then for you can something that's not mentioned, but I've seen anywhere, cadence algorithm. These are all mostly asked. So this was then a mix of hack with Infosys and like this off-campus hiring as well, but mostly hack with Infosys. It's really difficult hack with Infosys is. But in off-campus, you won't get such difficult level problems, I assume. So yes, I've analyzed, and these are all the topics that you can expect for round 1. And for round 2 as well, it's pretty much the same. Okay, so this is all about this video, you guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. um, I'll try to solve each of these questions because right now I don't have the time for this, and in the next week I'll probably try to solve each of these questions for you. Okay, so watch this video, please watch this video fully, and yeah, all the best for tomorrow's round. Just let me know in the comments once you attend round 1 how it went, what kind of questions you asked, or just message me in Telegram also. Okay, we've got the Telegram group actually. If you click on one more link, you can see Telegram channel link. Message me personally, I'll definitely reply to you. And yeah, or even mail me. Okay, this is all about this video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Here's cadence algorithm and how to prepare. And I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.